So I surprised myself the other day and picked up something from a brand that I typically don't purchase from. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But I wanted to start first by just thanking everybody for the outpouring of love and support the last week or so after my surgery. I really appreciate everybody. Your kind words and well wishes meant so much to me. You just do not understand. And I also want to give a special shout out to Dazzle Me 77. Like, sis, you checked on me numerous times throughout the week, and I really appreciate that. I know that I was in your thoughts and prayers as well as everyone else's. So I just wanted to thank you guys again for all the love and support. As you can see, I am still healing. This is like day 11 after the surgery. I still have on like a huge thick support bra that I'm gonna have to wear for a minute. And but today, this is the first day since my surgery that I actually put on lip gloss and mascara. So I'm feeling pretty good. So we're gonna get on into this video. I know you guys want to know what I picked up. So let me start with the smaller item, because I know if you could tell by the thumbnail that I actually got two things. So I went to the Coach outlet, and I was in there. Actually, I was shopping for myself, but this actually, I ended up getting something for my husband instead. I had already ordered what I wanted from the Coach outlet online, and I'm still waiting on it to arrive. So of course I'll do an unboxing on that when it gets here. But I wanted to step into the actual retail the outlet store, just to see what they had there, because there were a couple of things on sale on the website that were sold out. So I just wanted to take a chance to see what I could find. The one thing that I wanted that was sold out on the website was the Tom Wesselman box bag, the pink one with the lipstick and stuff on it. That is now had been marked down to like 105 or 111, 119. It was somewhere around there. It was under $115. And I wanted that specific one because I liked the color and I liked the whole lipstick thing. I never purchased anything from that collab. The only thing I actually have from the Tom Wesselman collab is this charm. And I got this secondhand. I don't remember if I got it off eBay or from the Coach group on Facebook that I belong to. But this is the only thing that I have from that collaboration. And I came this close to getting a Rogue, but didn't do it. And so I thought if I could score the pink box bag, that would be really cute. So I went to our outlet. Well, we've got two now, but I went to the one that I normally go to, not the new one. And the only one they had was the black one with like the floral print. I didn't want that, so I passed. But I did see a couple of other things that got my attention. The first one was I think it's the Gallery tote. So they had the black, it was a black pebble leather tote with the circular Coach symbol embossed into it. And then it had like the tassels from on the zipper pull. Really nice, beautiful, well-made bag. And I came this close to getting it. The only reason why I didn't purchase it was because it didn't have feet. It's just something about a tote with feet that really appeals to me. But then I thought about it on the way home. My Louis Vuitton Neverfull doesn't have feet, and it didn't stop me from purchasing it. And I could buy 15 to 20 of those Gallery totes for the price of one Neverfull. So I might end up going back and getting that tote because I think it's really attractive. It's really nice. I mean, it doesn't scream Coach, but I think it's pretty enough to be kind of dressy or casual, and it would make a great travel bag. So I may end up going back and getting that. The other thing that I saw that I was interested in, but I held off on, and that was I saw that they had quite a few of the Rowans. I really like the mini Rowan in the denim. I didn't get it just because I keep saying I don't need any more black barrel bags, but I might end up going back and getting that. But the other Rowan they had was a white or cream color with the gold hardware, just a plain basic Rowan satchel. And eventually I'm probably going to get one of those, also maybe one in a pink. And I don't know if I'm going to go with the petunia, the bubble gum, or a lighter pink. But I definitely want a pink and a white or off-white Rowan. With that being said, I think that means that I am okay now with not having the Ruby 25 satchel. I know that I had done a video a couple of weeks ago about my wish list, and the Ruby 25 was on there. But my recent experience with the Rowan satchel has led me to believe that I will be okay with having a couple of those, and I can save a little money and not worry about the rubies. But anyway, let's get into this first item. So this first item I purchased, like I said, for my husband, and I got it on obviously the male side of the store. And it's this wallet. What is this? I don't even know what this is called. Let's see if it says what this is in here. I don't even know what this is, y'all. Okay, wait a minute. This is it just says 3-in-1 SLG or S1G leather. So it is, I don't know why they call it a 3-in-1, but I would say it's definitely a 2-in-1. So this particular wallet came in a couple of different materials. They had offered it in a Saffiano, or I think they're cross grain leather, in a really pretty like yellowish color. They had it in the smooth leather in black and brown. But I just thought this was nice, and I thought my husband would like it. But the inside, if you open it up, you notice that it actually has two wallets. So this is the main wallet, and it has, let's see here. So it has 4 card holders, or 8 slots on total, 4 on each side. And then you have, there's actually 2 compartments, 2 bill compartments. So you've got one in front and then one in back. So that's on the main wallet. And then on the smaller wallet, you have just a slot for your ID, and then a slot for 2 additional cards. And there is no bill compartment at all. So this is a more compact. But I thought this was really nice, and the cool way for me to get him 2 wallets without actually buying him 2 wallets. Because he runs through SLGs like crazy. He's really rough on stuff. So I figured he doesn't need a wallet right now, but once he's ready to move into a new wallet, he'll have a nice Coach wallet to move into. So I came home and I had actually gone to the mall with the money that he gave me for Valentine's Day. So when I came back, I was like, I got you something from the Coach outlet. And he was like, why? And I was like, because I thought you would like it. So obviously he's not used to me like buying him stuff. So I'm going to have to do a little better on that. But I thought this was nice. And it was like $80, I think, 86 or 87. It was something like that. So the next item I got, guys, and again, you saw the thumbnail, is from Michael Kors. Long story short on Michael Kors, I've never really been that big of a fan of Michael Kors handbags. I know that he makes some really cute bags. I actually have one other bag by Michael Kors, and I actually showed it in my black bag video, and it's the little small camera bag that I came this close to selling, but I'm glad I didn't. Well, the reason why I don't really care for Michael Kors is because I don't like the MK all over the stuff. Kind of the same thing, same reason why it took me a while to fall in love with the monogram on the Dooney and Coach. I just don't really like that. And I noticed that on a lot of the silhouettes that I'm drawn to with Michael Kors, they tend to have that MK all over them. So that's always kind of been a turnoff for me. Now, I did own a Michael Kors bag maybe about 10 years ago. I had purchased the Hamilton tote. And it was in a fuchsia color, and it had silver hardware, but it was just too big. The issue is I bought the north-south and I should have gotten the east-west. And I actually still like that silhouette. To me, it gives Hermes all day. But if I were to purchase the Hamilton tote from Michael Kors again, I know now that the east-west version would suit me better than the north-south, because the north-south was just gigantic. I think I maybe wore it once or twice before selling it. So that leads me to this. So when I was in the Coach outlet and I didn't really see anything that I really wanted to pick up immediately, I decided to just take a chance and go to Michael Kors. And guys, I am so glad I did, because they were having a great sale. And I ended up picking up 2 items. So let me start with the smallest one. So I got this little wallet. So I thought this was really nice. So you've got this compartment here for coins or whatever. And it also has, you know, a thing for your keys. And inside, there's even a slot, like a card slot in here. So nice and spacious on the inside. And if you can see the side, it kind of opens up, so it'll allow you to put more stuff in here. So it actually fits more. It seems like it will fit more than what it appears. And then you've got you got 2 card slots, and then a slot for your ID. And then there's another compartment behind that. But I just thought this was so cute. And I don't have anything, guys, in the rose gold. And so that's what actually attracted me to this, was the color. So glad that I picked this up. And this was, how much did I pay for this? This was $23.60. And it's called the Smart Zip Coin Purse or something. Jet Set Travel coin pouch. So it's the Jet Set Travel coin pouch, and they call this color Primrose. So this is Primrose. So with that being said, this is what I picked up. This is the main item. And guys, when I saw this bag, I just thought this was the cutest thing. And they had it in a few different colors. They had it in like a bluish color that also has this metallic. It also was like a metallic. They had a black, and then they had a red. All of the colors were gorgeous. The red, I was looking at it and almost got it, but I figured that it was too similar, that these bags were too similar for me to have this and this in red. So, and then the blue is also gorgeous. I actually might go back and get the blue before that sale ends. I believe that it's a final sale on certain items, and I think this one was the final sale as well. But I don't know what this bag is called, but let's just get into it real quick. So as you can see, it is rose gold metallic with the yellow gold hardware. It's got this cute little belt detail that kind of hangs down. The thing that I thought there were 2 things that I thought that were unique and cute about this bag. The first is, if you look on the side, it's a wine glass. Isn't that cute? And it's on both sides. And then I like how they reinforce the corners to give the bag feet. So it has 4 feet. If you notice, the top handle also has gold studded detail on each side. There are also 2 gold studs at the very top. The opening of this bag is really cute. So all you do is like flip this little thing, and then it opens up. So the inside is fabric. I don't know, I'm sure this isn't leather. It doesn't feel like leather. The inside of this bag is, let me get this out so you can see. So the inside of this bag is like a beige, like satiny type fabric. It says Michael Kors all over it. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but it has a zipper pocket on the back wall. And then on the front wall, there's a a nice size slip pocket. And there are also hooks on either side for the strap, the crossbody strap, which is a very beautiful Michael Kors web strap. So y'all know I'm loving the web strap these days. So this was another plus for me for this bag, is having that web strap just in case I wanted to wear it as a crossbody. And I just thought it was so pretty. And then of course it also has a gold hardware. And on these clips, not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but it actually says Michael Kors. Like it says Michael Kors on there. And this bag was, like I said, it was like $89, something like that. And this is the Manhattan school satchel, again, in medium, and it's the color Primrose. So again, they had this in black, blue, and red. All of them were gorgeous, and I'm strongly considering going back to get the blue because I just thought it was just so cute in that metallic blue. But this is it, guys. This is what I picked up from the Coach and the Michael Kors outlet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is actually the first time I have filmed since I did my surgery update video. So I apologize if I was all over the place. But I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.